history with Alcone has been an amazing one. First, an incredible family that I was introduced to right when I started doing makeup. So having the opportunity to work with LimeLife by Alcone, it really warms my heart because it's the beginning of my career, and for me actually having a collection with LimeLife, it's like there are no words. It's like magic. Okay, amazeballs. I'm so happy. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. Addison, I'm gonna cry. Oh my God, that's my name. Dynamic, adjective. Characterized by constant change, activity, or progress. Positive in attitude and full of energy and new ideas. I love it. The Dynamic collection. I've been doing makeup now for about 18 years, and when I first started doing makeup, I was super excited and I was on the search for things that really meant something to me as an artist and the people who I was working on. So very early on in my career, I started to create makeup, and I'm really excited to say now that I have my own brand and I create products for brands all over the world. Now, the landscape of cosmetics is so different. People are now understanding that people come in more than one shade. I feel really honored that LimeLife chose me to help them extend the collection so all women of every color have a shade that works for them. For anyone who's felt like I've felt for much of my life, from very early on in my life when I was looking for makeup and my mom was taking me out to stores just trying to match me, find something to cover my acne or make me feel better about myself. For anyone who felt like there was nothing out there for them, I was that person, and I know how that feels. No one's gonna have to feel that way again if I have anything to do with it. This collection for LimeLife really speaks to the heart of that. But when it comes to complexion, you know, having the right foundation shade is super important, and we've got to evolve. We're not even like a one shade kind of person anymore. So having things like cream highlighters definitely helps. Having a contour palette that works for all shades, from the fairest to the deepest skin tone, life-changing. Basically, having a collection of things that you can build in beautiful layers on the skin, a little bit of this and a little bit of that to make the perfect look for you, is in this new collection. So it starts off with our complexion, with our foundation, extending the foundation range. We have beautiful cream highlighters that are life-changing, and if you know anything about me, I'm all about glow. We have a beautiful bronzing palette, and when you see it, you will die. So one of the most exciting things are the lips. You know, LimeLife by Alcone has the most amazing lip formula. So we sat down and thought about what nude really means in relation to skin tones. And food, we couldn't get food off of our mind. Like, we thought about this delicious chocolates and chocolates with berries, and we came up with the most amazing range of nude lips. So one of the most incredible processes in creating this collection was the eyes, the eyeshadow range. We have the most incredible range of both matte and metallic shadows for you that are all vegan and cruelty-free, with the highest level of pigmentation that you can imagine in your life. So it's gonna work for everyone. For anyone who's ever felt like me, who there was no place for you in the cosmetics industry, well, this is the place. LimeLife.